welcome back. Not getting OKX Wallet notifications for transactions, price alerts, or account activity on your iPhone? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. Two places to check in your iPhone settings. First, go to your settings app and then scroll down to the install app list until you see OKX Wallet, or just directly search for the app. Once you see it, go ahead and tap on it and then tap notifications. Make sure that allow notifications is toggled on. If the toggle is gray, tap on it to turn it green. Now look at the alert style section directly below it. Make sure it is set to banners or alerts and not none. If it says none, notifications are technically enabled but it will never appear on your screen. Also, turn on sounds and badges below that. After fixing those, go back to the top of the settings and then tap focus. Go through each focus mode you use: sleep, work, do not disturb, tap each one. Tap apps and then check if that OKX wallet is not in the list of silenced app. If it is listed there, remove it now, and that's it. So all you gotta do is go to settings, go to OKX Wallet, allow notifications on, set to banners, check focus modes are not silencing it. OKX Wallet's alerts will come through, and that's it. Subscribe.